Hi there, students. To truncate, a verb. Truncated, an adjective. Okay, to truncate means to cut the end off something, to make it shorter. So the carrot wouldn't fit on the dish, so he truncated it. He cut the end off. So you can use it physically, but it's more common we use to truncate metaphorically, to cut something short. So the interview was truncated by the fire alarm. Okay, the fire alarm went off and they had to cut it short. The story was truncated in order for it to fit in the space available. Yeah, the event was truncated by a technical fault. Okay, so yeah, the truncation of the event was caused by a technical fault. Okay, so to shorten, to reduce, the script was truncated to leave enough time for the advertisements. Yeah, cutting off a part of something to make it fit. Yeah, but more normally metaphorically. Notice as well, you can use to truncate in mathematics. It means to cut off the extra decimals. So for example, pi, as in Pythagoras, is 3.14159265358, but let's just truncate it to 3.14, would be much easier. Okay, so to truncate a number, to shorten it by losing the digits at the end, yeah, or even just the digits after the decimal point. You could say pi is just 3 if you're going to do rough calculations. Okay, so something that's truncated, it terminates abruptly. Yeah, it's cut short. Okay, so to shorten, to crop, to clip, to dock, to curtail, to cut short. Okay, so the video conference was truncated when my internet crashed. It went down. Okay, yeah, it was cut short. So to truncate something, to cut something short, to shorten it, to make it fit, yeah, to reduce it by taking a bit off the end. Well, you could take a bit off the front as well, yeah, and that's the idea of to truncate. So to truncate, a regular verb. He truncated his speech. His speech has been truncated, cut short. Formality, I would give it a 7 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation, but I'd say to cut short or to shorten. Yeah. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin truncatus, from the verb trunco, to maim or to reduce to a trunk, to cut the branches off. Okay. So, to truncate, to cut it short. I hope no technical problems are going to truncate this video. So, to truncate, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To truncate, truncated.